What if you could walk across the ceiling of your bedroom without falling? Upside down. No glue, no suction cups, just your bare feet. That sounds completely impossible, right? But geckos do it every single day. And scientists spent years trying to figure out how. Today, we are going to reveal the incredible secret hiding on the bottom of a gecko's tiny feet. And the answer is going to amaze you.
Geckos are small lizards that live in warm parts of the world. Rainforests, deserts, and even inside people's houses in tropical countries. There are over 1,500 different species of gecko, and they come in incredible colors and patterns. Some glow under ultraviolet light. Some can shed their tail to escape a predator and then grow it back. But the most extraordinary thing about geckos is not their colors or their tails. It is their feet. Because those tiny feet can grip almost any surface. Glass, metal, leaves, ceilings, without any sticky liquid or suction at all. So, how do they do it? Scientists looked at gecko feet under a powerful microscope and found something extraordinary. Each gecko foot is covered in millions of tiny hairs called setae. Each hair is so small that 500 of them lined up side by side would be thinner than a human hair. And at the tip of each tiny hair, there are hundreds of even tinier split ends called spatulae. These tiny tips get so incredibly close to the surface that something called van der Waals forces kick in. That is an invisible attraction that happens between any two surfaces when they get close enough together at the molecular level. Millions of these tiny attractions, all happening at the same time, add up to a grip strong enough to hold a gecko upside down on a ceiling. Even a smooth glass one. But here is an equally brilliant part of the gecko's superpower. They can let go instantly too. If geckos were truly stuck, they would not be able to move at all. The secret is in the angle of the tiny hairs. When the hairs are pressed flat against the surface, the van der Waals forces are strongest, and the gecko grips hard. But when the gecko curls its toes upward even slightly, the hairs lift away from the surface, and the grip releases completely. This means geckos can stick and unstick their feet hundreds of times per second as they run. Scientists have even measured their speed. Some geckos can run across a ceiling at 1 meter per second. That is like you running across the ceiling of your house in 3 seconds flat. The gecko's secret has inspired some incredible inventions. Scientists have developed special tapes and materials that copy the tiny hair structure of gecko feet. These gecko-inspired materials can stick and unstick repeatedly without any glue. Researchers are testing them for robots that can climb walls and ceilings to inspect buildings, or go into dangerous places humans cannot safely reach. Some scientists even dream of gecko-inspired gloves that could let humans climb smooth walls. Nature figured out the perfect wall climbing solution millions of years ago. And now, humans are trying to copy it.
So now you know the incredible secret of the gecko. Millions of tiny hairs on each foot, each hair splitting into hundreds of even tinier tips. Those tips getting so close to surfaces that invisible forces hold the gecko in place. All of that engineering packed into the foot of a little lizard that fits in the palm of your hand. Nature is the greatest engineer of all time, and we are just getting started on animal superpowers. Stay with us, because next time we are looking up, way up, to meet an animal with the most extraordinary eyes on the planet.